Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Cupioromantic means? Let's explore. Cupioromantic is a term used to describe someone who desires a romantic relationship despite not feeling romantic attraction. This means that while a Cupioromantic person might want the experience of romance, such as having a partner, sharing affection, or being in a relationship, they do not naturally experience romantic feelings towards others. This orientation acknowledges that the desire for a romantic connection can exist independently of actual romantic attraction. Cupioromantic individuals might seek relationships for companionship, love, or other reasons, even if they don't experience the typical romantic feelings. In essence, being Cupioromantic is about wanting to participate in romantic relationships without having the internal experience of romantic attraction, valuing the connection and partnership instead. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.